Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we are exploring the QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 31st of October, 2024, our system has classified QQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close eye on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential continuation of this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a possible change of approximately 10% in the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 8% to 14%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it indicates a change of around 25% over the next year, with a potential return between 19% and 39%. This corresponds to a price range from $577.61 to $673.96 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, "Weaker Technical Forecast for QQQ as ETF Downgraded to Sell Candidate." The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 2.52% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, falling from $496.38 to $483.85. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.79%, with a low of $483.75 and a high of $492.43. While the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by 1.51% for this same period. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day by 12 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 40 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $19,260 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $360.30. Currently, the price sits 3.91%, or $19.67, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Wall Street is currently experiencing heightened volatility as investors brace for a contentious presidential election, complicating the market landscape. While this jitteriness might indicate short-term risks for the QQQ exchange-traded fund, the prevailing sentiment remains bullish as analysts advise maintaining a course aligned with the ongoing bull market. On the innovation front, the generative artificial intelligence sector continues to attract record levels of investment from major technology firms and venture capitalists. This influx of capital is likely to benefit the QQQ in the long term, particularly as many of these companies mature and eventually go public, providing potential new additions to the fund. Earnings season is also in play, with technology firms poised to report results that could catalyze movement in QQQ. Positive earnings could reaffirm the strength of technology stocks, which make up a significant portion of this exchange-traded fund, potentially driving prices higher. Furthermore, notable investment activity, such as billionaire Ken Griffin's Citadel, ramping up its position in the QQQ by over 584%, reflects institutional confidence in the fund. This kind of endorsement can enhance market sentiment, contributing to price stability or growth. Overall, while short-term volatility is anticipated due to the electoral climate, the longer-term outlook for QQQ appears robust, with ongoing technological advancements and strong backing from institutional investors. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at 493.11 cents and 487.67 cents. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and so far, the price has decreased by 3.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 35 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 238 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below the current level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk whenever an ETF tests a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ has support just below the current level at $448.75. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the ETF exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $8.68 between its high and low, which represents 1.79%. For the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.22%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the P/E ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low P/E ratio may indicate diminished expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 488.36. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 448.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the QQQ ETF a wise investment choice? Currently, the QQQ ETF exhibits several concerning signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the QQQ will struggle over the next several days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical indicators, we have adjusted our previous assessment from a buy to a sell candidate. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 1st of November, we predict that QQQ will open up $2.83, beginning trade at $486.68. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be made solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.